This is Jen, and I'm here with Daniel from AirSpring. So can you tell me a little bit about the products you're showcasing or your experience here?
Sure. Well, we've had a great show so far. Really excited about all the people coming by. A lot of interest. We have our new product. We acquired a company in the hosted contact center space, which we rebranded as Air Contact. And so that product has had a lot of interest as well, particularly since we're able to provide some advantages that a lot of the competitors in that space cannot. We provide a managed connectivity to the customer, so it's not just voice going over the public internet. Therefore, we can provide QoS, quality of service, and manage the full voice end-to-end, so that deals with any quality issues that are generally encountered on the public internet. And of course, that's leveraging our MPLS mesh network, which we use for all of our applications, including MPLS networks. So that's been very positively received so far. And we're continuing to see more and more interest in our MPLS mesh as a standalone product, either with or without voice, because we have NNIs, or network-to-network interfaces, with most of the major carriers and a lot of smaller ones, AT&T, CenturyLink and others, and we're able to mesh all of those networks together into a unified core, which gives our customers a lot of diversity and as well as cost advantages they couldn't get otherwise.
Great. So leading right into my next question, what makes AirSpring stand out from the competition?
Well, I like to say we have a strong, in our traditional space, we have a strong value proposition for multi-location enterprise customers, anywhere from maybe 5 to 500 sites. We can provide great private data networking, internet, whether it be over DS1s, Ethernet over copper, fiber. We have access to all of those networks within our core. So if there's a way to get to a site, we can get to it, as well as using cable companies as well to leverage their networks. I think the biggest advantage we have is really from a service perspective as well. I tell people, maybe I shouldn't say anything bad about the big banks, but I say if your company you think would be best served by being a customer of Bank of America and you think you get great service there, then you can go to one of the largest vendors in our space, AT&T or Verizon, and you'll get great service there. But unless you're of a very large size, Fortune 100, you may be better off with a regional bank or a savings and loan, and that would be where we are more similar. So you're going to get a lot better service from us as a mid-size enterprise customer than you will from an AT&T or Verizon.
Great. And what's in the future for AirSpring?
Well, we are continuing to develop more. Now, let me step back now. Now that we have this MPLS mesh network that we use to deliver managed services, we're continuing to add cloud-based services, voice, and then other services. So we have our hosted PBX product. We have now our cloud contact center product. And within the next 6 months, we're probably going to deploy some cloud computing products as well, storage, cloud servers, and possibly hosted desktop as well. So once that network is in place for one of our customers, it's easy for us to layer on managed cloud services that are delivered over a private end-to-end network.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.